It's time for a new haircut. The question arises, should I go to a salon, a barbershop, or should I cut it by myself? I did it before in some of my videos, and I also built a do-it-yourself self-cut 360 mirror. You can see the video over here. This time I decided to buy one because the price is quite similar. So let's see what's the difference and how we can use it. So this is the brand, it's called Lipfi or Lipfi's Barbershop. Nice packaging. And let's see what's inside. There is some instruction on how to use it. There are two types, regular and one that comes with LED. We have some hooks and the hook comes with some nails. And inside has some nice information about haircuts and fades, some advices on how to use it. We have some protective plastic here. And this is the size of it as well. It's about 32 by 19 centimeters. This is the back of it. And these hooks can be installed on a door. So let's install it and see if we can get a nice haircut using this system. Just over here, adjust the height and open it. Pretty light. Alright, so it's time to get a haircut. Let me change this t-shirt. For this haircut I'm gonna use the Philips Trimmer 7000 series. I didn't get a haircut in years, so I might go a bit off, but I hope I'm gonna do a good job. I think it's good to know how to cut your own hair, because if you travel a lot and you are uncomfortable to go to different barbers and you know how to get a haircut by yourself, you have a trimmer like that, a system like that, you can do it by yourself. Maybe in the beginning it's gonna be a bit difficult, but with the time I got better and better with each haircut. So let's start. So this is the result. Pretty convenient, it's lighter, and you can fold it and put it somewhere else to hide it, or just to put it safe in a place. It's actually a pretty good system, and these are my conclusions. I think it's worth it, it's worth the money. If you consider that it would cost about €15 dollars or pounds to get a haircut, you get even after just 2 haircuts. It's easy to carry and to keep it protected. There you go, you can also take it in your luggage with you without being afraid to break the glass. Safe. And the price is pretty decent. It's the same price as if you want to build one by yourself. So it doesn't worth the hassle to build it, but if you want to build it by yourself, you can check my video as said before. And if you want to check this one, the link is in the description below. Some links are affiliated, which will help support this channel. Thank you, ciao, bye!